So today I'm cutting this deck open. Got a lot of it already cut open. I sealed it up because we're doing this in sections, and basically got this toe rail kind of pulled up. There's some old repairs here that are tied into the rest of the boat. You can actually see where it's joined here, and I think this is all old repairs. They glassed up the toe rail here, and it's not taking much for it to separate at all. So I'm gonna assume that this is gonna go to here, and then there's a crack down this section right here that's probably the same way. I'm just gonna assume that that's gonna peel right up. So my repair will extend up over the toe rail a bit, really just to this edge where I've already ground through. So, you know, is what it is.